Hi, I'm so happy to see you. Crochet any interesting stuff lately? This is Auntie Nat's Crochet. Glad you choose this video. Allow me to teach you how to crochet lovely and cute stuffs. I have hundreds of videos, so do subscribe to my channel. The subscribe button is at this corner over here. It will mean a lot to me. And this particular pose, I'm gonna make a cute little tote bag keychain. It's not a real bag, it's a keychain bag. Isn't that lovely? This is simple to do. You just use some plain color yarn, and you add a small flower, and you have a lovely keychain, tote bag keychain. So you can use either this type of keychain, this type, or you can use this type of keychain. So now I'm gonna make a bigger one, so I'm gonna use this type of keychain. This small one is actually made using lace yarn, and this lace yarn I use a 2.5 mm hook, or you can also use 2 mm hook if you want. Then maybe your bag will come out a little bit more smaller. And I think if you use thread to crochet with like a 1 mm hook, you can turn it into an earring as well. So this 3-ply milk cotton yarn. So for this 3-ply milk cotton yarn, I'll be using a 3 mm hook. So I guess with this, the bag will come out slightly bigger, not very big, I think. So you can attach it to your bag, or you can make it into a keychain. Okay, now let the fun begin. Okay, this is quite easy to do. You start off with a magic circle. And in the magic circle or magic ring, we're going to do 8 single crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. So you should have 8 stitches here. Once you have 8 single crochet, you pull tight. Now we go to the first stitch, and this row we're going to do increase. Increase means 2 single crochet into the same stitch. Wait, let me add a marker. My marker is normally on the first stitch, so I'm going to do increase. This is 1 increase, and you should have 8 increase altogether. And this is the last increase. Oops, sorry. Increase means 2 single crochet into the same stitch. Oh, the hole got bigger, so just pull tight. And this row 2, we should have 16 stitches. Okay, now we go to row 3. Row 3, I'm going to do 1 single crochet. And let me add my marker. 1 single crochet and increase. This is 1 set, and you're gonna have 8 sets of this. 1 single crochet, increase. 1 single crochet, increase. should have 8 sets and should have 24 stitches in this row. And this is the last set. 1 single crochet, increase. Now row 4. Row 4, just do single crochet all around, no increase. Now I'll come back to you once I am at the end of the row. You just do 1 single crochet in each stitch. Okay, now row 5. Row 5, I'm going to do 2 single crochet followed by an increase. So this is 1 single crochet. Wait, let me add a marker. 2 single crochet, and you do increase. Increase means 2 single crochet into the same stitch. So 1, 2, increase. You should have 8 sets of this. Oops, sorry. I think I adjusted too low, keep knocking, so sorry. Increase. And 1, 2, increase. So this is the last set. So here we should have 32 stitches. Let me just count just in case. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 32. And now from row 6 until row 11, you're just going to do single crochet all around. No increase. Row 6 until row 11. So I'll come back to you once I'm at the end of row 11. So now this is how it looked like after row 11. So now I'm going to go to row 12. Row 12, I'm going to do single crochet in the next 5. Let me add a marker. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 stitches. Then now I'm going to chain 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And I'm going to skip 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So I go to the 7th and I do a single crochet. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. And again, I am going to chain 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And I'm gonna skip 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And here you should have 5 more stitch left. This 5 stitch, you just do single crochet. And come back to this marker here. And now I'm going to slip stitch my way until I reach the chain 10 space. So this is 1 slip stitch, 2 slip stitch, 3, 4, and 5. And now in this space here, I'm going to do 12 single crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. And you go back to this first stitch here and do slip stitch. You should have 10 of it. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. And again, I'm going to do 12 single crochet on this chain space here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. And here I'm gonna slip stitch until the end. So I should have 5 slip stitch. I think this last stitch here, let me see. Okay, I'm going to cut the yarn. Here, this stitch here, the next stitch. Make sure you put it into 2 stitch here like this, so this is kind of locked in, and you can weave your way down and you have a lovely bag. And now I'm going to make a tiny flower and sew it here. Now I'm gonna make a tiny flower to tie in the back. So once you have a magic ring like this, just chain 3, and you go back to the ring and you do a slip stitch. 1, 2, 3. Do a slip stitch. You can either do a slip stitch or you can also do a single crochet. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. I normally would do 5 petal. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. You can do 6 petal if you want. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, then I will just chain 1, pull tight, and cut the yarn. And don't forget to pull this tight so that your flower will form like this. Look at that, isn't that cute? Just a tiny little flower for the back. I think I would just sew it here, not exactly sew, I would say tie it here. You just bring these 2 tail to the inside, and you did 1 here, so you go to the next stitch and do this. Once you bring it to the back, you just tie a knot. That's it. Or if you want, you can add glue, or you can sew the tiny flower with thread so that it's not visible. So here, because this is brown and this is pink, so I'm just gonna tie 2 knots and cut the yarn and leave it like this. There you have a back. And now for the keychain part, you make sure this is facing the right way. Make sure it is in the right position, and I'm going to use this, bring it through this 2 stitch here, and you see if you just want one side or you want both sides. I think both sides should be better. You know, just bring this through another 2 stitch, and you check and see if this is the right spot. If it is, then you just put it through and kind of pull up a loop, and that's it. So I have 1 here and 1 here. Do you like this pattern? If you like this pattern, you would love the earlier 2 keychain as well. So do check it out. So thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and I look forward to seeing you in my next post.